During this tutorial, I would like to demonstrate how to delete a report or how to delete older versions of a report but retaining the latest version. In both cases, it's recommended that you export a backup copy of your report first, something that's covered in a different tutorial video. With the report selected in the dashboard, you will see the delete button. Pressing this button will not delete the report immediately, but will provide you with two different options. The first option is to delete the report completely, and as a consequence, all versions of the report too. Ordinarily, this would only be used to remove a report that will not be needed again. Do note, however, that if you delete a report by mistake, you can still recover it by using the undo button in the dashboard, but only before you next log out of PerfectForms. To recover the report, use the undo button. The second option is to delete previous versions. All previous versions of the report will be deleted, leaving you with the latest version as the only version of this report. You will need to confirm this action. This type of deletion would normally be recommended if you have made updates to your report and you no longer need to retain the previous versions, as once deleted they cannot be recovered. Do be aware that the option to delete a report rests only with the report owner.